In the last class we had completed our chapter of e-commerce. Now we will be starting with m-commerce. Basically, what is m-commerce? M-commerce is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce is also known as m-commerce. It refers to buying and selling of goods and services through the use of internet enabled wireless devices such as mobile phone, personal digital assistant, smartphone, tablets, palm top or any other mobile devices. This tells us that अपने लोगों we are using m-commerce in our very day-to-day basic life. We can do anything from our mobile phones, laptops and tablets. M-commerce provides the users with the advantages of flexibility and ubiquity. By using the mobile phone, consumers can conduct business transactions without being fixed at a computer terminal or being physically present at the shop. These devices are carried by the user wherever he/she goes, making it possible to access the internet from any place. It allows real-time transaction while on the move. As the popularity of smartphone and tablet is increasing day by day, more users are moving towards the use of m-commerce. Some of the examples of m-commerce are purchasing airline ticket, purchasing movie tickets, restaurant booking and reservations, hotel booking and reservations, stock market analysis. Basically, these are the things we are acquainted to. These are the basic things which we do in our day-to-day life. Bank and other financial institutes are increasing using m-commerce to retain their business. They allow their customer to access account balance, stock codes, make transaction via mobile phone. This service is known as mobile banking or m-banking. The stock market service offered via mobile device is also becoming popular, known as mobile brokerage. News information, sports, entertainment, shopping and reservation areas have also grown with the demand of mobile related service. We can do anything by sitting at our home. We can book our tickets, we can book hotels, we can see the news online, or we can check our account balance, or we can do anything now online. It is very easy in our day-to-day life. Now we'll be going to the benefits of m-commerce. Mobile are being used more and more on daily basis, and today it is not merely used to make or receive a call. This says that basically we use mobile for every single thing. In the olden times, mobile were only used to give a call or to receive a call. But today, the world is working online. Mobile companies are coming up with new features for the smartphones, which offer consumers ease, flexibility and security at the same time. The ease of availability and faster speed has made m-commerce more popular nowadays. The web design and the development companies have also optimized websites such as it can be viewed correctly on mobile phone. M-commerce is an integration of wireless network accessed through handheld devices by internet. The benefits of internet of e-commerce are offered by m-commerce also. Some of the advantages of m-commerce are listed. Okay, now it provides conveniences to the user. In just few clicks on the mobile devices, the user can do shopping, banking, download media files or while move it. Here it says that now we can do anything via our phone. We can download any movies, or we can purchase any devices of our house or any household thing from just a click of mobile. Mobile devices enable the user to be contacted at virtually anytime and anywhere. This is one of the basic example that we can call anybody anytime. We can call, FaceTime, video call. We can do anything whatever we want. We can connect to the person via whole world. It reduces transaction cost. Basically, of course, it reduces transaction cost as if once we have to go to that place and talk to that person, or we will call that person and we will talk to the person. The another option is more easy and convenient. Reduces time to order. The user does not need to be on PC or laptop to order. This shows us that we do not have to continuously sit somewhere and keep researching. You can quickly pick your phone, you can search, you can order it, and you can you can know that when are you getting the delivery or what. Everything basically is been given to you. Streamline business process. Many of the business are nowadays conducted online only. Many of them can reach online. Shares are been online, markets are online, the availability shows is been on online. Provides global reach. This is one of the best part of m-commerce. You can reach to anybody anywhere. Basically, I won't be going to the country or a city for a purchase. As well as that, I can do that same from my mobile. I can get anything globally from anywhere. Conduct business 24/7. I can basically conduct my business 24/7. I can reply anybody. I can take orders. I can send my parcels. It is the business of 24/7. Flexibility of accessing the information through any mobile devices. Okay. Now I can basically, it will just ask me for my ID and password, and basically I can use it from any mobile, any device or anything. Payment can be done using the mobile device itself, just the same way as we do it on our personal computers. Basically, yes, now we can pay from our phone. We can check our balance, and you can do any online transaction now. Useful to deliver time critical emergency information. In case of any kind of emergency, I can quickly call my family members, or any sudden incident which occurs, I can quickly connect to anybody I want. Easily identifies the physical location of handheld device. The emergency of location based on application enabled to the user receives relevant information. We will discuss about location based service later in this chapter. Okay. Customized alerts can be easily received on the mobile phone. It gives us an option of customization. You can access your mobile in whichever feature you want, or in whichever way you want. It gives you a lot of options to be used. Instant connectivity and availability of faster 3G services, which has made m-commerce more popular these days. Basically, of course, if we won't be having internet, we would not have been done this. Timely information can reach the user. The information like flight or train schedule, delay or cancellation can be given the user on his mobile device on the real-time basis. This is one of the most useful thing which we can say that it can save time, or it can give us the proper and relevant information. Now we will be seeing the application of m-commerce. Application of m-commerce are increasing rapidly. It is used today in many areas, not limited to the ones that are discussed here. More and more applications will be introduced in the near future. Let us discuss some applications of m-commerce. Mobile marketing and advertising. The name itself says marketing and advertising. Today companies are using m-commerce to expand their service from marketing to advertisement. Mobile advertising is one of the most popular way for companies to reach a large audience. Advertising on internet has become a major source of revenue for most of the portals. Of course, now we are seeing everybody doing their online business. They are posting their stories and status, and we order it, we book it, we pay. In fact, we do the payment online, because nowadays nobody is preferring cash on delivery. So we do the payment online, and the parcel is been delivered to our house. Many retailers are offering location-based mobile advertising in order to target consumer and increase their sale. An advertisement placed on the mobile devices of the user can thus be made on personal requirements and location specific. It can update the user about the various discount and scheme available in the nearby areas of the current location of the user. It gives you notification. Whenever we log into any app, like Flipkart or Amazon, they keep giving us the discount messages that we are having 30% off, 50% off, you can buy this or you will get this free. So that is basically marketing and advertising. Another is mobile ticketing. User can easily buy ticket of air or rail travel, movies, etc. The ticket can be sent to the user mobile device. User can further show these tickets on their mobile devices at the respective place. Ticket can also be easily cancelled on the mobile phone using the application or accessing the portals of travel agent. This helps in reducing the traffic and the parking problems which increase day by day as the user do not need to travel from place to buy tickets. Basically now everybody is into this only, because the counter, due to this COVID, the counters are closed only. So the app IRCTC shows and gives every relevant information about air or rail or any ticket you want to book. So, and it is one of the most convenient way to book our tickets. We do not need to go anywhere, or we do not need to park our bikes, because parking is one of the major issue nowadays. Let us try to book an online ticket. Here the process of booking ticket is being shown. The details of journey with the train list. Here you need to enter the details which are being required for a ticket booking. After booking, the user gets an e-ticket message from IRCTC on the mobile device, which can be presented at the time of traveling. As you can see, without being fixed at the computer terminal or being physically present at the railway station, the customer can access the service using the mobile devices whenever and wherever he/she goes. Okay, so basically here the booking session ends. Now comes is mobile auction. The auction sites are becoming popular these days. Mobile devices further help in increasing the reach of these auction sites. A user while on move can access these sites, make a bid, monitor bids, and take a timely action on the bidding process. Basically, bidding is buying something or selling something in auction. Okay, now they are being done online and they can be accessed by any of the user or any of the buyer. You can book anything or you can sell anything whenever or wherever you want. Many of the auction sites have built gateways and interfaces to provide access to mobile devices through wireless network. Figure 5.5 and 5.6 shows the auction site eBay is used on mobile devices. The user can bid for the product using the mobile devices. So basically here it shows that how is the process being done. Another is mobile entertainment. Mobile devices are used extensively for listening to audios, viewing videos and playing games. Mobile user can subscribe to entertainment libraries where they can search for songs, videos or games and easily download them for devices of playing later. Entertainment service such as paper download, paper event or on subscription basis can cater a large number of mobile users are willing to pay for the service. Another is mobile purchase. Mobile purchase basically tells itself that you can buy